Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Bitcoin officially breaks 52K. Absolute insanity. Hits a 52,230 high, and I still think it's going to rally to the high side. As you guys know, I just opened a bunch of Ethereum and Bitcoin longs on my Forex account. I think we're going, my TP for Bitcoin is like 53 something. I forgot what I set it at on my Forex account, but I think the next stop is 53 something for Bitcoin. I think that this week we're going to close bullish on the week, and I think we're well underway at, going to 84K Bitcoin within the next possibly 250 days, within 250 days. So I definitely think Bitcoin, I wouldn't say it's going to go up a full 100% from here and hit 100K. I do think 84K is a strong possibility, as long as we close the week above previous highs of like 52, what was it, 52.9? I think 52.8, high 52s, I think. But even then, I do think that Bitcoin can still manage to go up. There's a lot of, a lot of my indicators are showing bear, so that it can possibly go down, but it's a bear cycle while moving sideways and up. And if you guys follow me on Patreon and my other stuff and use what I'm using for TA, you guys know that that's an extremely good sign, because when we're in a bear cycle and all Bitcoin is doing, is trailing sideways or up, the next push to the bull side is going to be huge, right? So don't be surprised if Bitcoin hits 60K in the next 2 weeks. But again, we don't know that until probably Sunday later this week, to see if Bitcoin actually closes above like the high 52s. So be on lookout for that. That's what we need Bitcoin to do. We need it to close above like the high, like 52.8, 52.9, something like that. But yeah, Bitcoin breaks 52,000. Absolute insanity to have that happen in only what, September 29th? like a week and a half. Absolutely nuts, dude. The fact that it's so volatile and so so sporadic like this, where it can rally that much in only a week. Absolutely insane, man. Absolutely insane.